Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am updating you guys on some apartment decor. If you haven't seen my first New York City apartment tour, I will leave that down below so you guys can watch that. And I made some updates ever since that video, so I wanted to show you guys what I changed around here. It's gonna be a quick video. I'll show you guys everything that I got, where it's from, and what I plan on doing for the rest of the apartment. We haven't been able to stay here since March, sadly, because of coronavirus, obviously, so we are just getting back into the swing of things, of getting some stuff for the apartment that we need for when we move back. I plan on going back to work around September here in the city, but we don't know for sure, so we're just planning on that. But for now, we come and stay a few nights if we want to during the week or the weekend, and it's nice to like have new decorations and freshen up the place. So that's what I did, and I can't wait to show you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions down below, and if you want to see more of these apartment style videos, I would be happy to make like tips for small spaces and that kind of stuff, because my apartment is around 300 square feet, and I know a lot of people in the comments of my apartment tour were so shocked at that, but we fit fine in here. We love it. We love the area. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, I also did an apartment Q&A video. I will leave that down below as well, on rent and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, so let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off when you first walk in, and the first change you'll probably notice is this little rug tapestry thing that we got from HomeGoods. If you haven't seen my first apartment tour video, I will leave it down below. I made a few changes since then, so I just wanted to update you guys on that. So this is perfect for us because it hides the electrical box behind it, and we have easy access to it, so it's not like a picture frame like hanging over it. So we thought that was great and matched the decor. As for the kitchen area, the only thing that I added was these really cool puck lights that are underneath the cabinet that just stick on, and then you have this remote that turns the brightness up or down. You can add a timer, all that stuff. So I just think like when I'm cooking or even at night, it just adds a nice effect, and those were super cheap on Amazon. I'll link them down below. And then other than that, nothing really changed in the kitchen. We have our little cart here. We have a plant here. We have fake plants because we aren't here that often because of COVID to water our plants. So that's why we have some fake ones. That one's from IKEA. Moving on to the living room, my favorite part. We updated our pillows since the last time you guys saw the apartment tour. I just think they're brighter and fresher, and we'll probably swap them out every season with the other ones. So they are all from HomeGoods. They are so comfortable and soft. And we also got this ottoman poof from HomeGoods also, and I just think it ties the whole room together. I love how it all looks with that like Moroccan print. And we really needed this because when we were sitting down, we had nowhere to put our feet unless you were on the L. So it really is helpful, and we like put our laptop on it and stuff like that. So I'm really glad we got that. And then as for the pictures, we're keeping everything the same, except this one is actually just from my room because the palm tree big picture that was right here actually fell and the frame cracked. So we are getting that fixed. So in the meantime, I just put that there just to make it look more complete. But moving over to the little TV stand, we just got a few decorations just to fill it up a bit more. I got this little gold fixture from HomeGoods. I think everything here is literally from HomeGoods. I got this cute candle from HomeGoods. It smells so good. And then down here, everything is pretty much the same. I'm just constantly reorganizing it. We got a few more coffee table books. The Chanel one is actually from HomeGoods, and it was super cheap, and I just love it. I think it just adds a pop of color. It's so cute. And then on the bottom, we're actually gonna add 2 baskets here. I'm on the hunt for those. Let me know if you have any like good suggestions for baskets right here, because I just can't find 2 like wicker baskets like this that would go there anywhere. So yeah. Then we got an air conditioner. Finally, it is like 90 degrees right now in New York. So we needed an AC, obviously, and we wanted to get one for the window to save space, but our landlord was charging us like $2,000 for installation, which was ridiculous. So we ended up just picking this up from Home Depot and installing it ourselves. And it just blows really, really cold air. It's perfect. It's kind of annoying because we have to keep it like in the room and it's not in the window, but it works for us. It's fine. I turned it off right now because it's super loud and I wanted you guys to hear me. So moving on to the bathroom. Nothing really changed in here. We just hung a picture up waiting for the frame on that. I think I'm gonna get 2 new baskets here. I'm not sure yet. And then we're just waiting on a new rug because we just need it to go more over here because when we step out of the shower, there's no rug there. And yeah, it matches the shower curtain more, the rug we got too. So that's really it in here. Nothing really has changed much. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the view because it's just so nice out right now. Oh, I can never get sick of this view. Okay, so moving on to this little nook area, and we're actually going to be changing this whole area up. We originally bought this thinking that we would eat here because that table pulls out and it has 2 stools underneath, but we've never eaten there. We just use the stools over by the couch as like little tables. So I think what we're gonna do is completely get rid of this and then get like cube storage and have like cute bins and just put a lot of like stuff that we need, like whatever's in these drawers that are just like miscellaneous things like scissors, batteries, all that, and put them in baskets in like a little cute cubby organizer and then make it all cute. So count how many times I say cute in this video. Anyways, the microwave and toaster will probably go back on top of the refrigerator, which I mean, I don't really mind. And for right now, I just put that basket of blankets right there because it was where the air conditioning was. Here is the palm print that we're fixing the frame for, so it's just chilling there. So yeah, that is all of the major changes in this room. Okay, so this is the door to my bedroom, and I made some changes I'm obsessed with. I can't wait to show you guys everything. So originally I wanted everything to be black and white, but it was a little bit too plain for me. So I started to add some color, pops of pink, some beige. It is still very, very neutral, but I just like how clean it looks. So when you walk in, obviously the bed, it's a full. I got a lot of questions asking the size of the bed. It's a full. It's actually really big. I was expecting to have like a really tiny bed in the city, but I'm actually like very happy with the size of it. So I changed out my throw. Everything new here is from HomeGoods unless I specify it. I don't want to keep saying HomeGoods because I've been saying it like this whole video. But yeah, I changed the throw out with this really soft beige one with tassels. And I also changed the pillows out. I really love how this looks. It is a lot of pillows, but just makes it look more like homey and comfortable. And then I actually kept the art. I wanted to change it up and add some touches of like this shade of pink in there, but we'll see. I kind of like how this all looks together, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do there. But moving on to this little area, I love this little corner of my room. I changed out the shelf with a black one, and I love how it looks. I don't know why I didn't do black in the first place, but I really like it. And I also changed my lamp to a more like beige shade with a silver lamp post, whatever it's called. And then I just kind of took all the makeup off my desk because I just feel like it would be a lot better like in here, more organized. And then up here I just have the brushes. I got this really cute situation from HomeGoods. This is like a box that I'm probably gonna put my jewelry in. And I got this whole situation from HomeGoods also. They were separate, and this was like a really long, like pompous, is that how you say it? Plant that I just cut to fit in the vase, and I just love how this looks. I feel like it ties the whole entire room together. I'm obsessed with it. And then I just got this candle because it matched the pink. I'm trying to tie all those colors in. Same with this book. Not sure where it's going, but I just kind of like how it ties all the pink in. And then I got this new stool and basket. I love this stool. The old one was just a little bit too like fluffy for my room. It was like a fluffy white one with black legs. This one I just think makes that whole like Moroccan vibe fit in more. And then same with the basket. I just think it looks so good together. So that is the little desk area. The closet has not changed except I put those same puck lights in. I'll show you guys. Where's my little remote? So I have 3 on the top, and then I have 1 on the bottom, and you just point and turn them on, which I think is like really cool. It almost has like a sensor in it. So I just think that brightens the whole closet up because I didn't have any lights in it. And I really like how it looks, especially at night. Like just having the closet lights on is really nice. So this is the closet. I don't have a lot of my clothes here because I'm not living here full time and the shoes are kind of a mess, but that is the closet. And whoops. And then the same thing above. We just have 3 bins that I just keep extra storage in. That little storage area up there is just so useful. You just put a ton of stuff you don't know where else to put in your tiny New York apartment up there, and it's great. So yeah, this is the room. So the next thing I want to change in the room is just add a few pictures down the wall here, like 1, 2, 3, and then change the lamp because I just spray painted like an old lamp from Walmart and I'm just like not loving it. And then I'm going to mount my TV right here on the end of my bed. So it's gonna go next to that lamp. So I'm excited for that, but I'm not gonna do that until I'm moved in full time. Probably same with the 3 pictures down the wall here. I think that'll make the room look a lot taller and bring the whole thing together. So that is the room. I'm obsessed with it. I just want to be here full time again. I just cannot wait for coronavirus to end. I'm sure everyone agrees. And then I was going to show you guys Julia's room, but that's still a work in progress. She hasn't been here as much as I have been to decorate. So once she does that, I will show you her room, which is right here. And yeah, those are all of the apartment updates. Okay guys, that is my apartment update video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, please let me know if you have any questions or if you want to know where something is from. I will also be so happy to do more of these little apartment style videos. I love interior designing and decorating this small space. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one and I'll see you guys later. Bye.